Something that people sometimes find a bit difficult is when you don't neatly have I, you, she, we written down and you need to work out who the subject of the verb is. For example, in the sentence, my parents ate fast food, it's not got one of these neat words of I, he, she, it. You have to work it out. And so it might be helpful for you guys just to write out this little table here, okay? So write that table out in your note paper or in your book as a way of helping you out. Whenever you've got my friends or my parents, that's a group of people that you're not involved in, so that's they. So whenever you've got my parents, my friends, in Spanish, that's either mis amigos or mis padres, and when we're conjugating the verb, we're going to conjugate it using they. My friends and I, or me and my friends, in Spanish, is mis amigos y yo, and we conjugate that to we because it's me and my friends, we went. If you're talking about just one other person, for example, my dad, my mum, so mi madre, mi padre, or someone's name, for example, Bob or whatever, then that's just one person, so it's not they, it's he or she, and so we use this form of the verb. Let me show you how that would work, okay? So, if I wanted to say, my friends and I ran, okay, so first of all I need mis amigos y yo, so me and my friends, or my friends and I. And then all I do is I conjugate as per usual. So remember, my friends and I ran. So to run is correr, same thing. Take off the ER. And I know that my friends and I always takes we. So I go across here to the ending. Okay. And because it was ER that I took off, it's imos. Mis amigos y yo corrimos. My friends and I ran. Or me and my friends, we ran. Right, my parents ate fruit. So my parents is mis padres, as it says here. We know that we conjugate mis padres to they. So ate comes from to eat, which is comer. Take off your last two letters. Okay, and then we are just going to have a look across to they. Comieron fruta. My parents ate fruit. I thought I'd do a classic, nice, easy name here. So Juan Bob III walked. So the names don't change, okay? Juan Bob III walked. To walk, caminar. Take off your last two letters. And we know that when you're just talking about one person, it's he or she. So we go across and it's camino.